Hi guys, it's Jonathan again. So I just got this new little set. This is called the Firework It Lip Kit in Berry. And it also comes in a nude, which is in the silver box. So both of these sets have 3 lip products in them each. They're all full size and they're only $39.50. So the first one, the berry one, comes with this cute little firework inspired bag that I'm super obsessed with. But in the bag, there are 3 lip products. So this is the berry set right here. Look how pretty. So it's Beat Lip Pencil, which we have year round. And then there are a lipstick and a lip gloss, all full size. And then the nude one, or they're calling it blush, you get the same bag, but in silver. Same little charm, it's in there. And then you get a blush colored lip trio. So here is the lipstick, the lip gloss, and then Dervish lip pencil, which we have year round. The lipstick is called You're My Flame, and the lip gloss is called Avalanche of Kisses. Super cute. I think they're a really good steal at $39.50. If you were to buy all these individually, it's like $60+ worth of product. And then you get the cute bag, of course. Just wanted to share. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.